Bill Gates, born on 28th of October 1955, is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the position of chairman, CEO, president, and chief software architect. He is one of the best known entrepreneurs and pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 80s. Since 1987, every year he has been included in the Forbes list of world's wealthiest people. As of November 2019, Gates has an estimated net worth of 107 billion US dollars, making him the second wealthiest person in the world behind Jeff Bezos. In this video, you'll see a list of 5 books recommended by Bill Gates for the year of 2020. Hi, I'm Jayesh, and this is Books for Hustlers.
Every motherfucking
If this is your first time here, Books for Hustlers shares book recommendation of some of the most successful entrepreneurs that ever walked our planet. If that sounds interesting to you, then please consider subscribing. Every summer and during Christmas time, Bill Gates gives book recommendation. We have taken this list from his blog, Gates Note. The link is in the description. Without further ado, here's the list of 5 books Bill Gates wants everyone to read in 2020. Book number 1. An American Marriage by Tayari Jones. An American Marriage is a masterpiece of storytelling, an intimate look deep into the souls of people who must reckon with the past while moving forward with hope and pain into the future. Book number 2. These Truths by Jill Lepore. Jill Lepore's These Truths, published in 2018, takes its title from the Declaration of Independence. It is a history of America from the days of Christopher Columbus to the days of Donald Trump. Specifically, it discusses the promises America has made to its citizens and where these promises have sometimes failed. Book number 3. Growth by Vaclav Smil. In this magistral book, Vaclav Smil offers systematic investigation of growth in nature and society, from tiny organisms to the trajectories of empire and civilizations. Smil takes readers from the bacterial invasions through animal metabolisms to megacities and the global economy. Before we see the rest of the 2 books, I would like to remind you that now you can listen to any of your favorite books on audible.com. To hustlers like you, Audible is giving 30 days free trial where you can listen to any one audiobook for free. To sign up for the free trial, use the first link in the description. Book number 4. Prepared by Diane Tavenar. In Prepared, author shares her story as an educator, mother, and leader of one of America's most innovative public school networks. She gives parents a roadmap to prepare their children to succeed in college, thrive in today's workplace, and lead secure and fulfilled lives. And book number 5, Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker. Charting the most cutting-edge scientific breakthroughs and marshalling these decades of research and clinical practice, Walker explains how we can harness sleep to improve learning, mood, and energy levels, regulate hormones, prevent cancer, Alzheimer, and diabetes, slow the effects of aging, and increase longevity. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.